MDS Aerosupport, it's a company in Ottawa, Ontario, and we design testing facilities for gas turbine engines, either aircraft, industrial, or marine. We do it all. And so in our aerodynamics group, we design the overall layout of the facility to provide a high-quality airflow to the engine and remove the exhaust from the test cell without impacting the aerodynamics of the facility. We're working on facilities around the world in Europe, North America, and Asia. And basically for all the major gas turbine manufacturers, we build facilities that allow them to test all the engines they manufacture, from the smallest to the largest engines that are made now and will be made in the foreseeable future. And what we use simulation for is to look at the designs that we've got through our empirical methods and get a better idea about how they perform and maybe see if there's ways we could tweak that design to be better. We chose Ansys because they own the two most popular brands of simulation software, Fluent and CFX, and they're the brands that our customers are most familiar with. And because of that, the name brand recognition and all the good features that also come with a well-developed computer code, we went with Ansys. My job now is essentially using Ansys every day to simulate all the various projects we work on. It comes in very early in the marketing stage. We're a consulting firm, so we work based on winning proposals. And one of the things we've been able to do with these newer, more user-friendly versions of Ansys is actually, when a proposal comes in, very quickly put together a course simulation that might not be as accurate or pass full scientific rigor, but it gives us an idea of what the flow is, and it shows to the customer that we're competent in analyzing fluid systems, and they really enjoy seeing their test cell in a CFD model. And in some cases, if a customer is coming for a week-long marketing visit, they'll tell us what we want on Monday, and we'll give a little presentation Thursday or Friday showing their test cell. One of my colleagues at MDS has been in the industry of designing test cells for about 40 years. So he's seen the whole evolution of simulations, and in the past he was in charge of building scale models of test facilities to try and see what different effects on the design have on the performance. And so he's been really excited to work with CFD software, where he can, in a matter of days, do tests that might have taken him months to prepare in the past. What would happen if we didn't have Ansys? We wouldn't not be able to design test cells, but maybe we wouldn't be perceived as being as competitive. We might not be able to push the envelope in our designs as much, because you have to be more cautious, only working within the constraints of the experiments you've done in the past and the experience you have.